Look and Padlock system por Marta Ligia Utrera Reyes. This process carried out responsibly and save life, reduce costs, and ensure the life for workers. In the same way, it shared benefits of time and money, increasing work performance. It's essential for following the following 7 steps. Notify affected employee of you intend to look down the equipment. Review the routine wall blocking procedures. Carry out the normal stop in the machine. Turn off an energy isolating control. Look out all energy isolating control. Dissipate any stored of residual energy. Very zero power side to start serving safely.